I made fake coins.
Faking coins are not easy and I worked hard. Just joking. This is a model that you could find on Creality Cloud and download it. I printed like 50 of the 100 million RMB coins and I have a lot of failures.
My lessons are: first, position your print with the lowest air resistance, because this is a best thinner. The print itself is always moving around. Secondly, use good filaments. I use CRPLA and this is the best one I've encountered. The other ones, I only talk about them. Next, make sure that your print sticks well to the bed, especially because those prints are of high height to width ratio, so they were really easy to fall, and just make sure it don't fall over or you're ruining your whole print. So now, those are the important points that we need to cover, and just enjoy the time lapse.